Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to blur a face in CapCut PC. So let's bring this video clip onto our timeline, and let's say I want to blur this man's face here. Select your clip, copy it, and paste it again onto the timeline, so we have two identical clips. Then you want to come up to Effects here, and search out for blur. We've already searched out, so you can add a blur, and you want to add it to the bottom clip. So you drag it onto the bottom clip like that. Then you want to select the top clip, then come over to Mask, and let's select Circle. Let's adjust the circle to over the face, like that. Now, you can still see the face, but we're going to work in reverse. So you go like that, so you're covering his face, or in the moment you can see it. But to cover it, press the reverse here. There you go, you've covered the face. Obviously this is a moving clip, so we'd want to put add keyframe here, allow the clip to move on, drag the blur over the face, the keyframe will automatically be added, and just keep repeating that process, keeping the man's face under the blur effect. So let's just do that quickly. Now if we play that, just move the blur off the screen like that. There you go. So that's how to blur a face in CapCut PC. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.